Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ugona and today I'll be doing a hair review on this wig that I currently have on my head. It's a Friday, so I'm just sipping some wine and just relaxing. Just thought I would do this quick video for you guys. Oh my gosh, like why is it every time you're doing something, like every time you're doing something important, like people just want to call you and text you, like, and then they just want to be on the phone forever lecturing, like, come on, like it's Friday, like people got places to be, like people have things to do, you know. But yeah, anyway, back to the video, because this video needs to get done tonight. This is the blue silky straight T-part wig, well, T-part lace front wig from AF Sister Wigs, and it's T-part, so it automatically comes with like a middle part, and it is a full lace wig, as you can see. This is an 18-inch 13 by 6 T-part blue wig, and this is their Brazilian Remy human hair. I will say that this, I did have to cut like the baby hair. I didn't really see like the, well, it didn't say baby hair, it just says pre-plucked, but I will say I did not pluck anything. Like, now this is literally the wig straight out of the box, so I'll tell you exactly what I did. So I pulled it out of the box, I installed it, glued it on my head. I cut the baby hairs out. Yeah, I actually cut the baby hair out myself, and you know, laid my baby hairs. After that, I used the foundation powder to kind of blend the lace into my skin, just so it looks better. And then after that, I straightened the hair, and then I trimmed the ends just because it looked kind of strangly, you know. You know how like when you, after like a few months, you go get like a blowout, like you straighten your hair and then you just need to trim your hair, you know how your ends look? That's exactly how it looked. So you definitely will need to trim the ends. So that's what I did. I trimmed it, straightened it, and bumped the ends up just a little bit, just so it looks, you know, it looks good. And yeah, it was easy to straighten. I straightened on 450 degrees. Yeah, 450 degrees. So what do I like about this wig? I definitely like the color. I think it's a very fun, you know, bright color that you can wear in the summertime, you know, to wear to a party, for a birthday, you know. And I've always wondered what blue hair looked like on me, and I think it really looks good. Like, it's given, what's that girl's name? It's given Spice, you know, the Jamaican artist. Yeah. Yeah, it's giving Spice. That's exactly what this hair reminds me of, and I love it. What else do I like about it? I like the shine. I love the shine. Like, it's shiny where it looks like glossy and healthy, but not too like synthetic looking, like fake. You know how synthetic hair has that fake shine? You know, it has like a nice little bounce. You see that? And it actually lays pretty flat. It's a very nice straight hair, so it doesn't like, it doesn't freeze up. I also like the length. I think it's a very natural length. Like, it was longer, but like I said, I did trim it just because I wanted it to look healthier after I straightened it. So it is true to length, I will say, for 18 inches. Definitely true to length. Thank you to AF Sisters Wigs for sending me this hair. I appreciate it. Definitely enjoy wearing it. The only con that I would say about this wig is when I brought it out of the box and I was like putting it like on my hair with the glue and everything, because I used the freeze spray, you know, the got to be yellow freeze spray. That's what I used to install it. The blue dye was actually coming off of my hand. Like, the color was coming off of, the dye was coming off on my hand. Like, my hands were turning blue, like, and I'm like, definitely say that if you are to get this wig, you probably don't want to put it straight out of the box on your head. You might want to wash it a few times, kind of make sure the dye has gone off completely before you put it on your head, because it will turn your fingers blue. And I'm not too sure why that is. And I'm hoping that it doesn't stain my clothes. So far we're good, right? Yeah, so far we're good. But I'll definitely say that's the only negative thing I have to say about the hair. Besides that, I love this unit. Definitely will recommend for anyone who's looking for a nice blue straight wig. And if you have stayed till the end of this video, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please leave it for me in the comment section. Make sure to thumbs up this video, share with your friends, family, anyone that you think might like this blue hair. And yeah, oh, before I forget, Happy New Year to everyone. I know it's March and but it's okay. We're still in the new year, so Happy New Year's to you and your family. I'm wishing you guys a successful new year. I wish, you know, you reach all your goals. Wish you all the best in your pursuit to reach your goal, and I'm rooting for you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.